I will talk about how can you block an existing contacts on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on SMS here, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on block numbers, just click on it here. So then you click here on block an existing contact. Then here can you select contacts you want to block. Then it's going to block with you here on your CallApp. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.